In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule calendar automations in Trello, whether you're managing personal projects, team workflows, or keeping track of deadlines. Automating your calendar can streamline your productivity. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your Trello account. If you already have an account, go ahead and click on Login. For simplicity, we'll be logging in using a Google account. Click on the Google icon and then select your account from the list provided. This will ensure you're securely logged in and ready to access your boards. Now that you're all set, head over to your Trello board. This is the workspace where your projects and tasks come to life. If you have multiple boards, make sure to select the one where you want to schedule your automation. Simply click on it and you'll see your board layout. With your board open, the next thing to do is activate the automation feature. Look for the automation option, which is generally located at the top of your board. Clicking it will reveal a drop-down menu with various options to choose from. Here we'll focus on the rules section, so click on that to proceed. This is where you can set up all kinds of automated tasks to help manage your time effectively. In the rules section, find the left panel and click on scheduled. This allows you to set up automations based on timing rather than specific actions. Think of it like setting an alarm clock to remind you or execute tasks automatically. It's handy when you have recurring tasks or deadlines that you don't want to miss. Next, you'll want to create your automation. Look for the Create Automation button and give it a click. This is where we get to the heart of our task today. Once you're in the automation setup, click on Add Trigger. This is a crucial step as triggers define when your automation will occur. Take a moment to think about the timing that suits your need, whether it's daily, weekly, or at a specific time. Now on to creating the rule. Here you're deciding what action should follow your trigger. Click on the plus icon and a range of options will appear. Choose the action that fits your workflow. Maybe it's moving a card to a different list, assigning tasks, or sending reminders. After making your choice, fill in any relevant details for your action. Once you've configured the action, click on the plus icon again to add this action to your rule. Double check to make sure everything is precisely how you want it. Finally, to save all your configurations, click on the Save button. Your automation will now be active and functioning as scheduled, reducing the manual workload on your dashboard. Congratulations! You've just set up a calendar automation in Trello. This not only saves time but also keeps your projects well organized and on track. Keep experimenting with different automations and see how they can further enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy organizing.